Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the talking, dancing, and singing cactus plush toy. This cactus toy is made of knitted plush material. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This interactive and talking dancing cactus is a fascinating toy that brings in hours of joy for all. This USB charging cable saves you the trouble of buying, installing, and replacing batteries, and it is about 50 centimeters. You need to charge this singing cactus toy for about 3 hours to use it for 1 hour. This toy is made of knitted plush material and is about 32 centimeters. It can not only sing and dance, but it can also use a funny voice to imitate what you say. This cactus toy has 2 buttons, one for singing and another for recording. This toy can sing many songs as it is pre-installed with audio songs, and it can also dance, record, move, and rotate. You can find the charging port and the on and off switch at the bottom of this cactus plush toy. Once you power it on, then this toy starts with talkback mode. This lovely cactus plush toy has big eyes and a smiling face. This cactus plush toy works without batteries. You only need to charge the cactus plush toy for about 3 hours to use it for about 1 hour. Press and hold, and after the beep, you can record your voice. And press 1 time to play back your recorded voice.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake